Hello darlings, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you have been here for a really long time, then you know that I went through a phase of doing so many PR unboxings on my YouTube channel, and then all of a sudden I just stopped because it was a lot of work and it took me literally 2 hours to unbox parcels. But I am back on it again because so many of you guys have been DMing me and leaving messages on my latest YouTube video saying that you want to see more, so here I am. First parcel. Oh my god, it's Estee Lauder? No way, they literally sent me a massive bag of Estee Lauder stuff. Oh my god, I love Estee Lauder. We got the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. Let me have a smell of this actually. Rich. We also have some sheet mask in here as well. I've heard amazing things about these. They also do a cleansing balm, which I did not know they do. And I love a cleansing balm. I think it's one of the best things made in order to take off your makeup. So I cannot wait to try this out. Open, open. Not much of a smell, but it's got that spa smell. You know that rich spa smell? I don't know, I can't describe it. It just smells really light and gentle, which I like. We also got a blusher palette in here as well. This is in the shade 120. It's like a rosy color. So pretty. Amazing. Thank you so much to Estee Lauder. It means a lot to me that you sent me this massive goodie bag and I cannot wait to try out your stuff. Next we have some Revlon. So Revlon launched some brand new products, I believe. So this is the Rose Glow. This is a hydrating, illuminating primer. Oh, this looks really cool actually. And give it a little swatch. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells like skincare. Quite watery for a primer. They also do brushes as well. I did not know Revlon did brushes, guys. Got this beautiful parcel from Holla and Glow. Holla and Glow is available in only Primark, I think. But this parcel, guys, it's so pretty. I just love how it's like pink and purple. I love the bow on it as well. Oh, hello, Balm. No, stop it. Look at this booty. This is literally an arse. I think this is my stress ball. So we got some booty sheet mask. Okay, this is what I need because sometimes I get spots on my bum cheek. And yes, that's very TMI, but I'm just gonna let you guys know that I am not always perfect. I also got some nipple sheet mask as well, which is amazing because sometimes my nipples get really itchy. We also got some body wash as well, which is so handy. This one smells like watermelon. Ooh, smells good. Oh my god, this one is sweet peach and jasmine. Oh my god, I could literally eat this. And we got a rose body wash as well. Rose is so good for the skin. Got lots of soap, and these soap are like shaped in gems. How cool is that? Amazing. Thank you so much to Holla and Glow. I cannot wait to play around with this. Strong elephant. They just launched a brand new face mask. This is the Electrolyte Water Facial Mask, and it is meant to be super hydrating for the skin, which is awesome because literally my skin needs a lot during winter time. What I love about Drunk Elephant is that every time you buy something from them, you get a mini sample of something. This is meant to restore the water content of skin while protecting against its loss, which makes the lipids, ceramides, and oils in the formula even more effective at their job keeping skin soft and supple. And the mini sample that I got is the Glycolic Night Serum. This is awesome. Ooh. Oh, she is a thick cream. Yes. Stop it. Oh my god. Big shout out to the Communications PR for sending me so many goodies. I got a deep sleep pillow spray. Danny DeFreitas is obsessed with this product. He says it really does work. Cannot wait to try this out. I'm a massive fan of spraying like lavender on my pillows and my duvets before I go to bed. And look how big this is. She's a big mama. Hello. Oh. Smells good. This is so relaxing, literally. We also got some Florence by Millie Bobby Brown. Thank you so much for sending me some more of her stuff, Communications PR, because that review is like half and half. There's some Sunday Riley in here as well. This is the Tranquility Cleansing Balm. Oh my god. Oh wow, look at this packaging, guys. Isn't it just so gorgeous? So blue. Oh my god. Doesn't really have a smell, which is fine, because I like cleansing balms that doesn't have like a heavy smell. Got so many goodies in here, guys. This is unreal. Oh, we got the Lunar Sleeping Night Oil as well. Guys, I am going to do a giveaway on my Instagram stories very, very soon, so make sure you keep a lookout for them. Okay, one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about in this package is this. This is called Evelyn Rose Luminous Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, I've got so many cleansing balms. Wow. Oh, this smells a bit floral. I'm just gonna say floral. It smells very floral. And the brand is called called Crabtree and Evelyn. Never heard of them before, but I'm open-minded in trying out new products from new brands. Oh my god, guys. This is like a very exciting parcel. If you follow me and Twee, then you know that this is our favorite sheet mask. I freaking love the Solista Super Hydrating Sheet Mask. This is amazing. Oh, they sent me a Christmas card as well. Thank you so much for sending me a top up, Solista. I am a huge fan, guys. Definitely recommend in checking them out. Oh, hello. Big shout out to Be The Agency. They just sent me some brand new wipes from YesStyle. Yeah, I got a parcel from Eyelaw as well. Amazing. Oh my god. Guys, isn't this just like lash heaven? Oh gosh, so many. Got some beautiful number 196. These are the dramatic lashes. And we also got some Luxe 3D lashes as well. Look how beautiful these are. These are called Hope. Also got some pre-glued lashes as well, which is so handy. So anyone who doesn't like lash glue, we can go ahead and try that out. Oh my god. I think these lashes are new, you know, because I don't think I've seen them before. So it's in this black packaging with this silver print at the bottom. And this is called Aurora. Thank you so much to Isla. We got a parcel from Colourpop. Oh yeah. So this is the Disney designer collection. Hello. Oh my god. How adorable is this? Isn't this just so stunning? Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna film like an Instagram video using these. So this is their lipsticks. Guys, I am literally dying. Look how beautiful the packaging is. So they got, I know her face, but I don't know her name. And I know she sings a really bomb song as well. They got Sleeping Beauty, they got Belle, they got the girl from Tangled as well, Rapunzel, got Cinderella. Okay, I'm gonna swatch Belle. So these are like liquid lipsticks. Oh, so creamy. It's gorgeous. Love it. Thank you so much to Colourpop. So I just received a parcel from a brand called Pop Beauty. I don't know if it's like a US brand. I'm not entirely sure. But they sent me some glasses as well, which is so handy because I just moved homes. These are paraben free and they are not tested on animals. Oh, wow. Really strong vanilla smell. This is called Butter Babe and this is how it looks. Very pigmented. So this is a matte lip paint, but when you first put it on, it is quite shiny. So I think throughout the day it does turn matte. Got a pass from Beauty Bay. Hello. So they sent me a Korean aqua sleeping mask. Oh wow, the packaging is gorgeous. Oh, look at that little sticker. It's a watermelon. Oh, I love little things like that. That smells stunning. Oh my god, so delicious. It literally looks like yogurt to me. Like, do you not think that this is like food? And it comes with a little spoon as well. I believe the brand is pronounced Holika Holika. So guys, if you are interested in trying out some Korean skincare brand, check them out on Beauty Bay. Got a highlighter from Ofra as well. I believe this is Rodeo Dry because that's like the most iconic one. We got an eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. And this is cruelty-free and vegan as well. Wow, the packaging is so cool. Look at that. That is a huge eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is very, very shimmery. So it's not really for me. So yeah. But it is a beautiful palette at the end of the day. You know, finding an eyeshadow palette is like finding the perfect pair of shoes for you. So this palette is not for me, but it is stunning though. But here are the swatches. So anybody who loves shimmery eyeshadows, I'd recommend checking out this palette. Oh, okay, got some products from Lime Crime. How cute is this, guys? It's like a little bauble, but in a makeup version. Oh, this is so sweet. It's a Christmas tree. Oh, so this is a Winter Lights palette. This is, I believe, a highlighter palette. Oh no, it's an eyeshadow palette. Look how stunning that is. Wow, 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 wow. That is so adorable. Okay, this is such a beautiful package. This is a mini eyeshadow palette. Look how glittery it is in the inside. It's so stunning. Ooh, hello. So this is a Lime Crime liquid highlight. I think this is new. Wow, it's so pink, guys. Look at that. Quite jelly. Oh, it does add a pinky undertone to the skin. This is really nice, actually. I think I would put this all over my body, not really on my face. We got some brushes in here. And we also have the Bare Necessities eyeshadow palette. And guys, the packaging is very beautiful. And this is how the palette looks. So gorgeous. Definitely the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette, I feel like, because it's got all the nudes in there that you need. I'll do a couple of swatches for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and swatch Spree and Designer Duds. Oh my god, Designer Duds feels amazing. So this is Designer Duds. and this is Spree. So pretty. I love mauvey colors on the eyes. I just feel like it adds a really beautiful warmth to the face. Thank you so much to Colourpop again for sending me another parcel. Oh my god, I still can't believe that you guys have sent me a parcel. Wow. Next parcel is from Too Cool for School. Big shout out to eSparkle PR for sending me these products. So these are vegan and cruelty free, and it's from Korea as well. This is a hydro bubble toner. Oh my god, I also got an eye cream as well. Oh my god, please give me some. Oh my god, do you know what? I'm gonna put some on right now. Ooh. Oh, this is so creamy. And it's got 65% caviar lime, and it's got 9 key vitamins, and it's got hyaluronic acid in there as well. And this is for brightening and is anti-wrinkle. Just what I need. Nearly there, guys. We're nearly done. So this parcel is from Ciaté, and it's so heavy. Oh my god, what did you send me, Ciaté? Oh, it's all eyeshadow palettes. Hello. So they launched 4 brand new eyeshadow palettes. So we got a green one, a warm one, and I don't know what the difference between these two are, but I'm gonna open them up and show you guys. So this one is called Aspen. Love the packaging. Very girly and reflective as well. This one is like a cool tone, bluey green type of feel. This one is called Mykonos. So this is like again, another cool tone purpley eyeshadow palette. And this one is called Tulum. Okay, so I presume this would be warm toned. Oh yes, a lot of nice sparkly eyeshadows. This one looks amazing. I'm gonna swatch it actually. Don't know if you guys can see, that one is from the Tulum eyeshadow palette from Ciaté. That swatched like butter. Really cute. Saint Tropez. And this is like a warm but more on the matte side eyeshadow palette, and this is very peachy as well. Got a parcel from Sleek Makeup. Wow. We got some Christmas gifts in here. Hello. So this is £10 for a highlighter palette and a glow drop and a brush and a gold pigment as well. I also had a glitter lip kit, which is also £10. Sleek is so affordable. And I also got a comfy jumper as well. This would be so handy. We got a pass from Christian Dior, guys. We got a body gel from Dior. Oh my god, how insane is that? Oh my god, you guys are gonna die when you see this. What in the gold is going on? Wow, this is so stunning. This literally took me by surprise. Oh my god, it smells insane. I really wish you guys could like smell it. So this literally smells like the perfume J'adore. This is just so crazy. It's so beautiful. We also got some beautiful nail varnish in here as well. Look at that. How beautiful is this packaging? Also, Dior products are actually really good. Oh my god, guys, look how stunning this nail varnish is. It's like glittery, looks very galaxy-like. It's either called Happy 2020 or Passion. I'm not entirely sure, guys. So yeah. Almost there, guys. We've got 2 more parcels. Oh my god, I am screaming! This is crazy. This is so stunning. Wow. It is so beautiful. This one is called Rally. And we also got like a chunky glitter pigment as well. And these are in the shape as a star. And this is called Dimension. Can you guys see how stunning that is? So beautiful. Got one more, saving the biggest one. Oh my god, guys, this is from Mark Hill, which is one of my favorite hair brands. And they are such a supportive company. And I literally look at Mark Hill as like my own family. Okay, guys, are you ready? Oh my god, look, there's me in a PR parcel. This is so crazy. Oh my god, I'm so in love. There's me again over here. There's me again over there. Oh my god. So if you don't know, Mark Hill does pick and mix, which basically means that you can choose whatever barrel you want, but you have like the same handle that helps heat up the barrel, if that makes any sense. So this is their box set, which is such a good price. It's worth £105, but it's much less. You get all these different sized barrels, which is so cool, and then you have the handle in there as well. And you also get a brush and some hair clips in there as well, so you can achieve any curly hair look that you want. So amazing. Love Mark Hill, and you want to grab this ASAP because Mark Hill literally sells out so freaking fast. We are at the end of the video. This is what surrounds me right now. Not joking. Everything is everywhere, and I feel a little bit flustered and a little bit crazy as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok as well, guys. Oh yes, I'm trying my best to be a TikToker. I have new uploads time, just in case you don't know. So every Monday and Thursday I'll be uploading a new YouTube video. And of course, I am uploading every single day on Instagram and on TikTok as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this PR unboxing, and also subscribe to me if you are new. If you are not new and you watch me on your regular, ask yourself this: are you subscribed? Because I found out on my YouTube Studio AdSense thingy that only 70% of people that watches my videos are not subscribed. So I'm just like, girl, subscribe. And click that bell button as well so you never miss a video from me. I love you so much, guys. Mwah. Bye!